Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick guide. Today I am going to show you how to speed up your Windows laptop or PC with sacrificing some appearance and animation settings. So press Startup button and type Appearance. Enter this menu and turn off all options. Make sure you check mark for smooth edges of screen fonts. If you do not want to lose the quality of fonts that is shown on your screen, and press Apply button and press OK. This will reduce the animations and the appearance of the menu items, icons, but it will make your PC a lot faster. Okay guys, it's a pretty simple, straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.